Hi guys, it's me, Katie. Um, before I'm doing shoutouts, I almost have 40 subscribers. So since for my early 40 sub special, I'm gonna be doing a marble race, but not with any ordinary marbles, with my subscribers, including me. Isn't that awesome? All right, let's mix them up. Oh wow. Alright, you guys can be released now. Oh! Wait. Oh, never mind. Looks like, everybody is stuck, but they're going one by one. Let's see who can make it. Oh, Red Apple, Coiny Tifa, why are a lot of people stuck? There we go. You know what? Cake Teapot, do you guys want me to get rid of just like little things so you guys can go in? What are you guys talking about? What are you guys doing? There we go. Alright, so let's see. Oh! Nelly and the person that I don't remember, they're both safe. Guys, come on, you're wasting viewers' time. Guys, you're wasting viewers' time. Pin Teapot, I subscribe to me. Pin Teapot, I subscribe to you. You're not even going up? Here, let me help you. I even subscribed to Cake Teapot. I needed to help everyone. Looks like people are not quite going up. Oh, looks like a few people have made it. Red Apple, what are you doing? You subscribe to me. You're not even going up. There we go. I helped you. Coiny Teapot, Red Apple, and wait, let me see again. And now you guys want to see the marble race to see who wins. I mean, to see who's safe, but I wanted to check it out to know who it is. Come on, Adam Robux Pro. I subscribed to you and you're subscribed to me. Why aren't you even going up? What are you doing? What do you mean? Looks like Blue is not up yet. Nickel Animations is not up yet. Wait. If they can't make it on their own, I just help them. Cake Teapot is oh yeah, they're right. Cloudy Teapot and the Teapot BFB, they're both safe. Come on, Pin Teapot. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Pin Teapot, you are Pin Teapot. I subscribe to you, and you're not even going up. Oh, oh, Leafy Teapot is safe. That was the original name. Why did they go so slow? But Leafy Teapot is safe. Yeah, you go in because oh my gosh, black hole. I mean blue. Why did you do that? You. Oh, why are you guys up here? Huh? Looks like some people are not down yet, so I'm gonna help them. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna help them. Pizza Box Animations! I subscribe to you as well! Why are you doing this? There we go. Yeah, let me just help everybody so they can. Oh my! There we go, finally. I helped everybody. Now they can go. Let's see if. You know what? Let's be. Well, let's speed this up so people can get in. People are still not going in. You know what? Let me help you guys. You guys seem to be not possibly trying to get up there, so I'm putting everybody in here so they can try to get in. Like nobody's going over. Like a few people have gone over. We just get go for animations. There we go. See, I needed to help everybody. Oh my goodness, why are people getting stuck? Come on. And the person that I don't even remember this person. Come on guys, you're wasting time. You know what? Let me throw you. Oh my goodness. Pizza Box. Hopefully you don't get out because oh my gosh, can you guys hurry up? Can you guys hurry up? Nobody's even going. Oh, a person has made it. Oh my gosh, you guys are wasting viewers' time. I meant to say. And looks like the person that Pizza Bug. Alright, so who eliminated is me, but still I can talk. Nickel Animations, the water bucket, the IDK guy, Puffball Teapot, Adam the Robux Pro, Nineball Teapot. I don't even remember you. Coiny Mations, yeah, Blue and Pizza Box, plus with male golf ball animations, and this person as well. Next challenge! Oh no. Oh, what? let me draw something here so he can't escape. Next challenge. Oh, Cloudy Teapot, and the other guy that I remember. Oh wow, actually, a lot of people are going in. It's actually working fine. Cloudy Teapot is still safe. Let's see who's gonna be safe. So, Leafy Teapot is safe. Wow, a lot of people have come. Alright, so Red Apple is safe. Oh my goodness, why are people not going? People are not going. Corny Teapot, the person that I don't remember. Teapot BFB, Pinned Teapot is also safe. I didn't do this. I have to drag them because they're not acting like the usual. And yeah, you're eliminated. So bye. Alright, so I'm actually gonna draw something so they can be the winners for today. So yeah, you're gonna be eliminated. What? Yeah, you're eliminated, and then I have to get rid of this thing. And now you guys are safe! Hooray! Hold on, you're not supposed to come down here. Right, so I'm gonna put you here so you guys can be safe. Oh my goodness. Add to background. Then you guys are safe. Hooray! So these guys are the winners. So, Claude Teapot, that person, Leafy Teapot, Naily, I don't even remember your name, Pin Teapot, Red Apple, Cake Teapot, I don't remember your name, Corny Teapot, the Teapot BFB, and then I don't remember your name. So, if you're one of these guys, that means, you guys are safe. So, hopefully you have a great time with me fixing everything. And yeah, hopefully you have a great time. So, yeah. And, I don't know what to do. So, yeah, bye. Hopefully you have a great time, as I said earlier. So, you guys are the winners!